BMW is bringing a special surprise to celebrate the 10th anniversary of its Motorrad plant in Manaus, Brazil. To mark the milestone, BMW has launched a special edition R1300 GS Adventure Limited to just 10 units, designed as a collector's motorcycle. The BMW plant in Manaus has produced more than 150,000 motorcycles, and this commemorative R1300 GS Adventure represents the plant's 150,000th production milestone. Because production is strictly limited, each motorcycle features a unique production plate numbered from 1 of 10 through 10 of 10. The biggest differences are found in the design. BMW has given the motorcycle an exclusive combination of colors, finishes, and graphics that are not available on the regular version. These special touches extend across the fuel tank, side panels, engine protection or sump guard, and valve cover guards. Together, they create a more exclusive appearance while reinforcing its status as a commemorative edition. But BMW has gone beyond cosmetic upgrades. All 10 motorcycles are equipped with the Automated Shift Assistant, or ASA, technology that automates clutch operation and allows gears to be shifted automatically or manually using the foot lever. The system is designed to improve comfort, particularly during long-distance touring. Power comes from BMW's largest and most powerful mass-produced boxer engine, a 1,300 cubic centimeters unit producing around 145 horsepower and 150 Newton-meters of torque. The motorcycle also features a large-capacity aluminum fuel tank holding up to 30 liters, supporting its long-distance touring capabilities. For the chassis, BMW equips the bike with dynamic suspension adjustment, or DSA, which can adjust damping and spring stiffness in real time. The ride height adjustment system can also lower the motorcycle by around 30 millimeters when stopped, making it easier for riders to get their feet on the ground. Active safety features include active cruise control, forward collision warning, and lane change warning. With only 10 units produced, this R1300 GS Adventure is more than just an adventure motorcycle. It is a significant piece of BMW Motorrad history in Brazil.